Hi, it's Megan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my monthly grocery haul for the month of January. I am going to be participating in the Three Rivers Challenge, which is a pantry and freezer challenge. So I will share a little bit more about that at the end of the video. But for now, let's turn the camera around and I'll show you what I got. So somehow I lost the audio for this first part of the haul, so you will just be hearing a voiceover. But here's everything I got. I went to Smith's, Walmart, Winco, and Costco. Back here, I'm going to start with what I got at Smith's. I got mostly produce here. I was able to get 3 bags of grapes. Those were on sale for $1.40 each. Usually I just get them when they are 99 cents a pound. But $1.49 is pretty good for this time of year, and my husband wanted to have more grapes for lunches and for snacks. I also was able to find some good deals on clearance as well. So I was able to find these 3 packs of bell peppers for $1 when they're in these red bags. That's their produce clearance. And anything in the red bags is 99 cents. So they had a ton of these and they still looked in really good condition. So I was able to get 3 packs of these tricolored peppers, making them 33 cents a piece, which is one of the best deals I've found in a really, really long time. My husband also, again, all of us wanted just to have some more fresh veggies and fruit to be eating after we had a really fun holidays with lots of fun food and heavier foods. Okay, I also got some potatoes that were on clearance. They weren't in a red bag, but they had like the red bag and clearance tag at the end of them. So I was able to get those for 99 cents, which is a good price for a 5-pound bag of potatoes. Then from Walmart, I got 2 bags of chopped spinach just to kind of restock our frozen veggies. And then a few non-food things. I got some cotton balls for some homeschool projects. And then I got some dry shampoo. I got a new clarifying shampoo. And then my hair has gotten like kind of wavy recently. And so I'm going to try this curl cream and see what that can do for my hair. I heard good things about it, so we'll try it and see what it can do. And then I also got this 4-pack of like vacuum storage bags to help with putting away Christmas things. Okay, moving on to Winco. I got a thing of whipped cream. My kids like that for breakfast with their pancakes or waffles. I also got 2 things of salad dressing for my husband. Like I mentioned, he wants to have more salads this year. I also got a thing of pickles since my 3-year-old loves pickles and is sad that I never buy them. And then I got quite a bit of produce. I got some celery and some oranges. These everybody loves, and a big bag, 3-pound bag of spinach and a 1-pound bag of spinach and a 3-pound bag of onions. I always have those on hand for lots of uses. And then I was getting low on cream cheese, so I did get a double pack of that just to have on hand, since I went through a lot of my supply during the holidays. And then from the bread section, I got just a loaf of bread and a 10-pack of English muffins. We had already eaten through a few of those before I was able to get to filming. And then from their bulk bins, I got a few things for salad toppings for my husband. I got some wonton strips, some croutons, and then I got some tricolor tortilla strips. We like those also on top of different soups that we have in the wintertime. And then I also got some shredded coconut because we were completely out of that. And then we were also completely out of cornstarch. So I also got a big thing of that from our bulk bins. So from Costco, these are my favorite protein bars. They were on sale for $7 off. And then I got to some of their like Kirkland Downy Unstoppables scent beads. So I'm going to try using those. I haven't used those before. This multi-pack of Ziploc bags were on sale, so I grabbed that since I was getting low on the snack and the sandwich size. And then I got one of the rotisserie chickens. I always pull that off, and I'll use the chicken for my husband's salads, and then I'll use the carcass to make some more chicken broth. These beef sticks were on sale. My husband already busted into these. These were $10, and so I got 2 bags of those since they were on sale, and he really likes those. I got a big container of half and half. We use this a lot in soups and in hot chocolate. And we finally, as you guys can probably see outside, maybe, we got our first like real snow. And so we definitely will be going through hot chocolate a lot more. And I got our monthly package of string cheese. These carb balanced tortillas were on sale for only $5. So I grabbed 2 packs of those. I'll just toss those in the freezer until we need them. And then the last thing I got was this bag of bacon crumbles. We were down to our last few. We like to use these in soups. My husband will use them on salads. And there's a couple of recipes I like to have them in as well. So there's everything that I got from Costco, Winco, Walmart, and Smith's. So that's what I got my family for the month of January for our monthly groceries. I do go back into the store weekly, usually to just get fresh produce and like milk or dairy as we need it. And then with the Three Rivers Challenge, you get to make your own rules, but it's pretty much a pantry and freezer challenge to kind of help you work through the stock that you already have. So my rules for me are I will still be going grocery shopping every week, but it will just be to get fresh things, for fresh produce for my kids to eat, and things that my husband needs for salads for his work lunches, since he wants to eat more salads this year. So those are kind of the main things that I will be purchasing. Also, if I do happen to be getting low on something and I see it on like my rock bottom prices, I will also purchase that at the grocery store. At the end of the month, I will show you everything else that I bought for January. And next week you can come back and see I'm going to be sharing a pantry and freezer tour as well. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Bye.